Still pretty warm this evening in southwest Florida in the mid to upper 70s, 79 in Fort Myers, 79 in the Cape. It was hot this afternoon. We had a strong easterly wind, and that kept a sea breeze in check, so we warmed well up to the 90s. 94 was our high temperature today in Fort Myers. The average about 10 degrees lower than that. We obviously set a new record today officially at Page Field. Close to 90 degrees though in Punta Gorda and Naples. Doesn't matter where you were. It was close to 90 today with the exception of the beaches, which were a few degrees cooler. 70 degrees to start your day tomorrow with a little bit of inland fog like today. Should not be a major problem. Partly cloudy at noon and then an isolated shower at 5 o'clock, but our chance for rain tomorrow pretty slim. We'd put it at 10 to 20% at best. Second straight day we've shown you this scenario. Showers mainly in the southern third of the state of Florida because that's where there's enough moisture in place for some of those sea breeze showers. Easterly wind all day today, helping to warm us up. Then that sea breeze late in the day as we were close to 90 degrees, and out here in the Gulf of Mexico, well, our water temperature is now 80 degrees, so you have that cooler air, that sinking cooler air. Sea breeze tried to kick in, didn't have a lot of success, but it was successful enough to help to trigger a few showers very close to the coast. Here's Storm Patrol Viper using the power of 4 right now. Been tracking these showers since the mid-afternoon. Most of the rain here over the last 3 hours or so has been out in the Gulf of Mexico. Got a number of weather pictures from folks right along the coast. They said, oh, I see the clouds, but these were clouds that were moving away from you and still have some cloudiness out here in the Gulf of Mexico producing that rain, but that's where the rain is going to stay. We'll take a closer look at this shower. It still was over Naples as of about a half hour ago, so a couple of showers that affected the barrier islands in Collier County made their way out into the Gulf at this point. High pressure will control our weather again tomorrow, but we have some slightly drier air here off the east coast. Our dew point temperatures are actually going to go down a little bit tomorrow, so the humidity is not going to be oppressive. With that humidity being lower, the showers should be very, very limited, mainly inland, and I really think the chance for rain is maybe 10% at best when we add it all up, meaning 1 out of 10 neighborhoods could get a shower tomorrow, so that's a pretty slim chance. Here comes the cool front that we're tracking. Likely to be here on Saturday. We honestly don't know how strong it's going to be by the time it gets here. You can see how the showers, the line of showers along the front, fairly broken as we get to late Friday and early Saturday. We think it's going to bring us some cloudiness. Right now we're mentioning a better chance for rain in the forecast on Saturday, but if this front washes out to the north of us, and that's still a possibility, we'd stay on the warm side and mainly dry side as we look toward the weekend. Here's your forecast for tomorrow, the Power of 4 zone forecast, starting with the inland zones. 88 to 92 your high temperature tomorrow. May have an isolated shower in Arcadia, Palmdale, LaBelle, Immokalee, but it is going to be very isolated at best. In the harbor zones, we may have a touch of fog first thing in the morning. Port Charlotte, Punta Gorda, Northport, your high temperature anywhere from 86 to 89 degrees. In the coastal zones, high temperature anywhere from 88 to 91. Mostly sunny, very warm, mainly dry with that easterly wind at 5 to 10. Now, the beaches are going to be a few degrees cooler, but the sea breeze, like today, is going to struggle to kick in thanks to a strong easterly wind. So we'll still get up to 86 to 88 as that sea breeze probably won't develop till about 2, 3, maybe even 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Forecast for the boaters calling for those winds to become easterly. Then they're going to be shifting as that sea breeze tries to kick in. Seas around 2 feet. Light chop expected on the bay and in the waters. Mainly dry, high near 90. I think that pretty much sums it up for tomorrow. Mainly dry, high near 90. I think that pretty much sums it up again for Thursday. Now on Friday, we're increasing the chance for rain a little bit because the humidity will increase a touch ahead of that cool front. Does the front actually make it through? Still a little too early to be definitive about that. Right now we're calling for some scattered showers on Saturday with variably cloudy skies, an isolated shower on Sunday, but at this point Sunday looks like the drier of the 2 days over the weekend. It looks like our mornings are going to get a few degrees cooler. Humidity breaks just a little bit for us by the beginning of next week. That's a look at your Storm Patrol forecast. We're going to talk about the possibilities of a significant cool down in our extended forecast coming up here in about 10 minutes.